If you've ever wanted to get more organized and precise in Monday.com by breaking down your tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces, then this tutorial is just for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add sub-items to your tasks in Monday.com so you can keep every detail clear, track progress more easily, and make your workflow a whole lot smoother. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to create sub-items, but also how they can help you manage projects more effectively. All right, let's get started right away. First, make sure you're in your Monday.com workspace and looking at the table or board where your tasks are listed. You'll notice each task, sometimes called an item, is displayed as a row in the table. Suppose you have a task like prepare marketing presentation. Maybe you want to break this down into smaller steps, like gathering slides, getting approval from your manager, or scheduling the presentation date. To add a sub-item under a task, move your cursor over to the task you want to work with. You'll see a little arrow or drop-down icon appear, usually on the left side of the task's name. Go ahead and click on that drop-down. This opens up a new section right underneath your main task. Now, you'll find an option called Add Subitem. Click on that, and just like that, a new field appears where you can type the name of your sub-item. This is your chance to be specific. Maybe you call it Design Cover Slide or Send Draft to Manager. Give it a name that makes the step clear to you and your team. You can add as many sub-items as you need, making it easy to see exactly what needs to be done and by whom. Creating sub-items like this is really useful because it turns big tasks into smaller milestones. Let's say you're managing a team and want to assign different people to each part of a project. With sub-items, you can do that directly. Assign someone to each sub-piece, set individual deadlines, and check them off as you go. It's a bit like turning a big puzzle into manageable pieces, making sure nothing gets missed. Don't worry if you don't get it all perfectly organized on the first try. You can edit the names of sub-items, rearrange their order, or even delete them if plans change. Monday.com makes this really flexible because it's meant for teamwork and adapting to shifting priorities. A quick tip: adding sub-items is especially helpful for tasks that have several steps, dependencies, or when you want to track detailed progress. For example, instead of just one checkbox for marketing presentation, you now have a clear checklist that helps everyone see what's done and what's left. It brings clarity not only for you but for anyone else who might be collaborating with you. This part might take a few moments, especially if you're new to Monday.com or just getting used to the layout. If you don't see the Add Sub-Item option right away, double-check that you're looking at the right board or that you have editing permissions. It's always okay to pause and explore around. You can't really break anything, and Monday.com has plenty of helpful prompts along the way. And that's really all there is to it. By breaking your big tasks down into sub-items, you're taking a huge step toward better time management and more effective teamwork. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions about sub-items or anything else in Monday.com. I'd love to help. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more tips and tutorials. See you next time.